Do you have any afterthoughts about falling you'd like to say?
Can't wait to get up there and do it again.
Hello, Ratlings, and welcome back to my house. What we're going to start on now is doing the fascia for our upper roof there. Once we get the fascia installed, then we can go and do our ice and rain, weather permitting. That's what our goals are for this week and what we're going to jump back into right now.
Of my own free will. Yeah, I don't think I ever was.
The ropes are super fun. So these are part of our fall protection. We have anchors up on the peak in a few places. The rope is attached up at the top. This is just a belay line. So this is an anchor that when it's pulled on, it locks in place. You can change where the rope is by just grabbing it and it moves freely. But as if you fall and you put weight on it, it will lock. This little ropey thing here, this is the actual fall protection. I mean, the whole thing is a part of a fall protection system. But if you fall, this rope will kind of get yanked out of this plastic casing, and this will break your fall so that you don't break your spine.
Yeah, not breaking your spine is good.
Yeah. So
Simply relax.
Huh?
Simply relax.
yeah, exactly. Well, our fascia is lumber that has a layer of paint or like a water protectant seal kind of on it. It makes up your drip edge over your roof. So like if this is the eave of the roof, the fascia would be pieces like this added to the front of it. Your drip line, your ice and water shield comes and rolls over the fascia. Water coming from the roof goes down. Hopefully it never touches the fascia, but if it does, that's why the fascia is coated to be a little bit water resistant. Normally you will have your gutter attached to the fascia, and then your actual roofing material will come over top of it and pour water or runoff or whatever into your gutter. And hopefully not a lot of water is getting on your fascia, but that's what it is, where it goes, and we're attaching that now.
Okay, I'm going.
Okay.
Make sure this is nice and tight. So I gotta get a good swing going, yeah?
Yeah. Maybe clap my ladder like out from under me.
Yeah.
And then we can both dangle.
Oh, hell yeah.
You ready to do a...
Oh. What?
I'll do it first. Okay. You just hang on to this.
Alright. Jesus, dude. Oh. Well, we're getting there. Yeah. Okay, you gotta warm me before you do that.
All right, so I'm gonna try and just like hang on to it.
Yeah.
If you can,
Yeah.
pop, like do little hops.
Yeah, I gotta get a fire for that. Your wings a little bit. Okay.
all the way over first. So normally we could just pop it up.
It's pretty stuck on that lip. Yeah, oh my god, nice. We got it.
And just kind of line it up with the bottom of the rafter. Okay, and you have the nail gun?
Yep.
Throw some in. Okay, going down, and then gonna swap over to the... So we went and got another extension ladder. So instead of having to try and do this from on top of the roof, we're just doing it from below, and it's a lot easier, safer probably. I prefer it. Yeah, that's all.
Nice.
Ooh, this one's gonna be fun over here.
Yeah. Get an early goodbye.
I think the shorter ladder will do just fine, like right here.
Yeah.
You know, it's less of a span than the other side, so
Yep, little high ground there.
we're golden. We'll just put it up there and then figure
We're gonna, I think this area will be good.
okay.
We'll have to make a little micro adjustment.
Yeah, let's get them up first and hold the bottom. Jesus.
This actually might be a pretty nice spot. You got some earth here you're digging into, but it's also a little soft.
Yeah, we'll get it down and then we'll find a nice place for it.
Is it 160 plus 56.5
Where are you?
inside?
I think it was 160 plus 56 and a half.
Okay.
Over the last few days, this weekend and today, we have just been working on finishing up the fascia for our upper roof, and then today we did the deck here in this roof. We did the rafters for this yesterday, and over the weekend we did our gable cuts during a very wonderful hailstorm, and then we started our first 2 lines of our roof deck and then finished them today in the good weather. We probably would have got them done yesterday, but we had a little bit of lightning and it just wasn't worth staying on the roof and dying over. So we did them today and got that finished up. We have a little bit left here on the bottom that's still exposed with no roof deck. That's because we have more roof coming off the front end of the house to cover a deck that we've got out here. But because we don't have the deck package yet, we haven't built a frame for that and we can't put the roof over it. So we've left that open so that we can split a sheet over the seam and just have it be a little stronger, a little more seamless. Yeah, so right now we're just gonna start working on the roof in the garage. and work on that until we get our materials to do our front deck here, and then we'll kind of transition back to working on this roof, get this done, and then get it sealed in from the water and rain and ice and that kind of stuff. So that's what we're working on, what we have done, and what we will be doing.
Come on, come here. Come here. Like and subscribe.